Okay, this week number 3. I spent the last week trying to figure out this was it this damn battle box right here. Let me bring up this bad boy, which is like the box for you know, like the one in Undertale. Yeah, the battle was like the one in Undertale. So I made a function to create the battle box, and you can see here I kind of went through some codes. You'll see why in a second. So the battle box also spawns the actual attack that will damage the player. So let me just show you what it looks like. It's pretty simple for now, but there's a reason for that. And yeah, I made it so that the player is stuck inside the battle box. The way I did it, I'm kind of I'm kind of proud of it myself. I used the rectangle and rectangle function, which is, I don't know, it works pretty well. So anyway, yeah, so it spawns this. You can see this little thing, this hand. That's meant to be the attack, and that's meant to damage the player. And it's pretty simple, and the reason for it is because I've been stuck on like an error for days. It's like where it says there's an unrecognizable variable in the instance, which I thought belonged to the object called obj battlebox, which is this, right? And I was so confused because I already initialized the variable in the create event, and it doesn't seem to recognize the variable in the obj attack. And the reason why, let me just bring up obj attack. The reason why is because obj attack was that it was a child of the obj battle box. I was planning to make it so that when the obj battle box destroys itself, all the attacks are gone as well. But it also like inherited the event, the draw event, which is this, where it has all these variables, and the obj attack doesn't have those variables, so it returns an unrecognizable variable error. And I was so confused. I thought the error was coming from this, and it kind of did because it was the parent of this object. Yeah, and the fix for it is just to like unparent obj battle box, and that and I was stuck on that error for like days. Yeah. I Anyways, I'm gonna make the actual attack thing now. I'm leaning towards the idea where it's more Toho like, where if you choose to attack the enemy, it will spawn in the battle box and blah blah blah. Oh my god, why am I explaining this? Okay, I'm done. Bye.